My name is Sanjay Kumar. I am the founder director of Millet Ball Food Products Private Limited from Hyderabad, and I am here looking to raise 2 crores in exchange of convertible notes. Does our country has a nutritional problem? The answer is yes. Every one of us is affected by this. Malnutrition largely is a result of dietary inadequacies and unhealthy lifestyles, which is impacting public health in terms of stunting, wasting, obesity, micronutrient deficiencies, non-communicable diseases. Coupled with global warming and greenhouse gas emissions, the yields and the nutritional value of the staple food is on the decline, and our food and nutritional security is a big challenge. Hence, it's time we rethink the way our economics work and bridge the gap between the malnourished and the healthy by leveraging agriculture to improve nutrition. We are a millet-focused nutrition company developing innovative fusion-based products under the ready-to-drink, ready-to-eat, ready-to-use, ready-to-serve categories, and the product line goes soups, cookies, seasoning and condiments like rasam powder, sambar powder, dip mixes, instant health mix powders, and beverages, etc. There is a paradigm shift in comparing to treatment orientation to the prevention orientation, synthetic to natural, generic to customization. So our value proposition is we are a affordable micronutrient fortified millet based snacks and beverage company where it meets the physiological needs of the consumer, which go much way beyond your regular nutritional requirements. Currently, we have achieved a decent traction. We have supplied 100 tons of millet cookies to 100,000 children in Telangana state residential schools. With regard to market assessment, India is poised to be the third largest packaged food industry, and fortified and food, functional beverages and functional foods are on the rise. In terms of the market segment, when we see, it is basically segmented in your rejuvenated drinks, hydration, wealth and wellness, weight management, and we are targeting the health and wellness segment, which is around 60% of the market share of the functional and packaged food. And in terms of the government channel, our assessment is pan-India, it's a 10 billion Indian rupees market in the government channels. And in terms of our execution plan, we have already developed 5 to 6 range of products, and each product having 2 variants of variants. And we want to launch these products in next to 3 to 5 months of time through vending kiosks, micro markets, through institutional service providers, canteens, cafeterias. And to do this execution of this thing, we have already identified a back-end third-party manufacturer and R&D development. We have already started working with them. And in last 2 years, we have done a decent revenue. And last year, we have even become net profitable as a company. And the infusion of this required funds will help us to accelerate our growth and place our products in the retail market. And we assure our investors they would get a decent exit in next 3 to 5 years time. Thank you very much.
So, what is your payment cycle time from the time you supply to the time you get payment from the government? What's the timeline?
Yeah, it's basically 45 days to 60 days.
45 to 60 days. Do you have any limits from banks, etc. now? Any loans?
No, we have just got a seed funding. 25 lakh seed funding from AID and ARM. It's the Department of Science and Technology.
How much did you get?
25 lakhs.
For what equity?
It's a preferential.
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 Okay. And you had done about 1 crore of revenue, right?
Yes.
What do you expect to do next year, supposing there's no funding?
Irrespective of the funding, whether we get it or not, still our target is 3.5 crores.
3.5 crores. And if there is no funding, where do you plan to get the money from?
It's basically one of the major, if you ask us the challenge till now, where we couldn't accelerate, was one of the challenge, other than the funding, was identifying a right back-end channel partner, which we have figured it out. In the sense that with regard to the operations part, we have got that thing. So that would take us definitely.
Okay.
In case.
Umesh, you want to take a shot at this? You are the fittest guy among all of us on the panel. Maybe a fellow, but.
So I want to understand, right now in a single state, what is your strategy for all the remaining states, or you are talking about the entire market? What kind of, because I understand locally you may have a certain hold, but if you go out to other states, what kind of a strategy do you have there?
Yeah, in terms, I would again segment wise in the institutional and the retail. So for the retail, we are very clear that we would in next 1 to 2 years time, it is the vending kiosk, which is the trend which is happening. So now you have around 7,000 odd small and medium and large companies, around 70,000 offices across pan India. And our own market research says that there are some around 6 to 7 solution providers in the vending kiosk with a footprint of 400 to 500 already existing vending kiosks. So we are tapping on them. We would talk to them and we would place our products there, and we have done our own basic research going to the corporates and trying to find out what it is, and we see that a lot of consumers or the employees who are there, part of that, are actually looking for very nutritional products, and for them they are placed. Yeah.
So
Okay,
this,
keep
this
them
product
crisp,
that
okay?
this product that I have in my hand, how much does this cost?
How much does that cost?
What is it?
The M Power 26
Health drink.
millet beverage.
Yeah, it's basically, it should be somewhere between 15 to 20 rupees.
For that packet?
Yeah.
So
It's
that's the
basically like
that's the
for
cost
one
the
serving,
corporate will pay?
For one serve.
For one service, that's the cost the corporate
Yes.
will pay?
Yeah.
Hemant,
Yeah. In the sense, currently what we are doing it for the government is we are supplying at 240 rupees a kg, in the sense that.
And what about the retail price of that?
Retail price, it should be for a 20 gram pack, it should be 20 rupees.
20 rupees.
Hemant,
So, what is your gross margins? I mean,
It's around 20%, 18 to 20% is a gross margin.
20% is very less in.
Yeah, I understand, because till now it is only in the institutional government sale. So the pricing is.
So, for example, if you raise money, will you be able to make your cost down?
Yes, in the sense that we are going to the new market, and even in the government segment, if you see, the threshold is, there is a minimum threshold. Beyond that, it is your overheads and everything are constant. So the more the volumes you do, your bottom line is going to increase, multiply.
How advanced is your plant if you compare to Britannia and all? How advanced is your plant? I mean,
All our products are developed consciously keeping in mind the market benchmark, and we want to place it at least, it's not that we want to place it, but we have developed a product in such a way wherein that the USP part is that everything is micronutrient fortified. So
no, I mean
and then the price is 15 to 20%.
No, I'm not talking about the nutrients. I'm talking about the processes. I mean, the machinery.
Yeah, everything we have already identified at the.
So you have to purchase the machinery.
No, we have identified is a white labeling partner, and the partner is already a 3-decade-old company,
Okay.
very well known in this sector, and having more than 100 crores of turnover.
Okay.
So we have partnered with him.
So you are trying to go into retail also, or you will just going to stay with the government contracts?
No. Now the fundraise is basically going into the new market.
So, but your packing, I don't like your packing. Will
This
you
is
be
only
able
the
to-
sample.
Yeah.
Only for the sample.
okay.
This is nowhere.
How does it taste? You guys are eating this.
Good taste. Taste is good.
That's what. As I told, it's basically we are trading off to an extent where we are not compromising on the nutrition.
Now, how much sugar do you add, he's asking?
It's like very minimum. I can't tell in exactly. I would probably come back to you. Minimum Coke standard? No way, no close. No.
Okay.
Just few short answers I would require. Have you ever thought of product insurance?
Product?
Insurance. You heard of it or no?
Pardon me?
Have you heard of it or no?
Heard of the concept of product insurance?
To be honest, no.
No is a perfect
You
word.
must get into it first thing, because if somebody gets ill, you will get screwed. So, second, will you ever get into non-veg products?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
No. So you will be purely veg. Third, how many products do you have?
Right now, 6 products already developed, 2 variants each.
All are selling?
Already.
80-20 ratio, which is the best seller?
No, selling product is only the cookies.
Okay.
These products have newly been developed.
What are the next 3 clients, absolute name you want?
Clients in the consumer market, we are actually.
Any 3 clients you have identified you want them?
Name 3 clients you would target.
Name the
target
exact
interest.
names I want.
With names.
Yeah, in terms of vending kiosks, they would be our
Names.
No, he's
NutriTab.
Railway.
NutriTab.
NutriTap, okay.
Then Grabit. Then you have Grabit is another service provider who does this vending, places the vending kiosk in the corporate.
Okay.
He's a service provider. And then you have this Vendyman. They are there. And some other 2.
So these are channel partners.
Yeah, channel partner.
I'm asking for
Clients.
users.
Institutional?
And you have anybody or no?
Right
You
now,
don't have,
Off the hand, I cannot.
One last question. What's your background? Last job?
Yeah, I'm a mechanical engineer. I worked in corporates for 15 years in the industrial market products and sales. I'm a PMI certified project management professional. and I've done my executive MBA.
Thank you.
Go ahead, you have another question?
The question is around competition. Have you evaluated your competition?
Yes.
Because and what's the market size in the health food? And are you in that exact health food sector, or you're just into like FMCG also?
No. We are into the health segment, as we are very consciously building this health sector, nutrition related products, and we are targeting only that particular sector. And vis-a-vis with regard to the competition, what we have done is that we have developed, or we are in the process of creating completely innovative products. So even in the millet space today, if you see whoever are there, they are still in the primary and the secondary segment, in the sense either they are doing some polishing of the grains and something and selling it, or probably semolina, vermicelli, at best they are doing it. But we have gone up the value chain. What we have understood is that you have to, because convenience is one of the most important factor, and the other factor is that the customer base which we are looking as the millennials, they are the people tomorrow who will be actually doing it, and there is a lot of change in the food habits. So taking their habits and where it is going, we have brought in these products, and future products also would be this basis only.
So where do you see this product being sold, at a food bazaar or at a Godrej Nature Basket? Which is the segment you're trying to address?
The Godrej Natural Basket.
And have you figured out your distribution and packaging? Because this packaging probably
This
will
is
not
only for
sell
the
at
sample.
Godrej.
This is only for the sample. This is not at all the retail packaging. We would be working on that, because anyway in 3 to 5 months time we are placing. So
Your distribution, have you thought about your distribution partners?
as of now, since it's only through the vending kiosk and the micro markets and the institutional service providers, so we have worked on them only. But typical retail thing, probably 12 to 18 months time, during this course of time, once we place these products and all those stuff, then we would be looking
Fair
at
enough.
that option.
Three of you partnering, what are you doing? You are free to, like the last one, you offer what you think is right.
I don't do converter, but there is few more things. You are doing it for school, right? That's what
Yes.
you said. Would you? Are you saying that you are also an impact?
In the sense that, yeah.
So,
Quick question.
how much is the money gonna go for R&D?
For R&D.
Research and development.
As of now, for this, we have spent 3 lakhs.
How much from that 2 crore?
Yeah, that would be around 30 lakhs. Is
And how much money will go for working capital?
same, 30,
How much?
30, 40 lakhs.
You need mentoring, definitely. Would like to talk, but I'm not sure whether I'll be offering him anything or not.
Okay. So we'll take it as a no for now. We'll talk about it. If we have interest, we'll come back to you. And we'll keep trying to our investors over the next 90 days. Thank you very much.
Thank you.